Dear students, in the last class we have studied about cone, the surface area of the cone. In this regard, we have studied some formulas. First one is curved surface area of the cone, which is equal to pi r L. And second formula we have studied total surface area of the cone. It is pi r into r plus L. And lastly, one more formula we have studied regarding the relation between slant height and the perpendicular height and the radius of the base. L is equal to h square plus r square. Okay. So, in this regard, we have studied three formulas. L is slant height, h is height of the cone, and r is radius of the cone. And in a third problem, I told to do it at home. In the third problem, just I will write down what is the thing given. You check your answer. Those who not did, correct it. Okay. Curved surface, third problem, the curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to, how much they are given? 308 centimeter square. Then it's a slant height. What is the symbol? L is equal to 14 centimeter. It is given, and the radius, therefore the radius of the cone of the base, symbol is r is equal to. So, which formula we have to use, children? The first formula. Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. So, curved surface area is given, it is 308 centimeter square is equal to pi, I will take 22 by 7, and r value is, I don't know, r I will write, and L value is known, it is 14 centimeter. Now, we will divide first, then we will simplify. 7 table we can divide, 7 1s are 7 2s are, right? Here 308 is equal to 22 into r into 2. Now 308 is equal to 22 into 2. How much? 44 into r. Now into 44, if you bring this side, you can write this as into will change into, if you bring the 44, the other side of the equal sign, that into will change into divide. So it is 308 divided by 44 is equal to r. Now we will divide by 11 table, 2 table will divide, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now here 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining 10, 2 5s are 10, and here 8 is 4, right? Now again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Here 2 7s are 14, 1 remaining 14, 2 7s are 14. 11 1s are 11, 7s are. So 7 is equal to r. So radius of the base of the cone is r is equal to 7 centimeter. And one more thing we will find out, therefore total surface area of the cone is equal to, now which formula we have to use? The total surface area of the formula. What is the formula? It is TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L. This formula we have to use. Pi r plus L is equal to 22 by 7 pi value into r is how much? Just now we got r is 7 into R again 7 plus sign and L is how much? 14. So substitute the values, corresponding values. This I don't know, so write TSA. Total surface area I don't know. Now we will simplify. This we can divide. We cannot divide this because we have to multiply, add first, then only we will do this. So it is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 plus 14. It is 21. So all is into, now 1 is divided by, okay. So we can do the division, then we can do the multiplication. 7 ones are 7 ones are. So it is 22 into 21. Total surface area. So multiply by 1 table now. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Now 2 table, leave 1 place. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Add it. It is 2, 6, 4. So total surface area is equal to 462 you got. It is not centimeter, always area should mention in the meter, square of the centimeter. So 462 centimeter square. I hope you got this answer, those who did at home, this third problem, okay. Now see the fourth problem from your textbook in the exercise. Exercise 13.3, fourth one, that will do now. A conical tent is 10 meter high. Fourth one, there is a conical tent. Conical tent is 10 meter high. High means it has got that height. High. And radius is 24 meter. 24 meter. Find two aspects we have to find. Slant height of the tent. First one, slant height. Then second one, slant height we have to find out. And second one is cost of the canvas. Second one, cost of the canvas. Cost of the canvas. Cost of the canvas used to make the tent. Make the tent. Make the tent if cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. Understood the problem? We have to make one tent of shape, cone shape. And here the measurement is given. High means it is height. If it is slant height, they will mention the word slant height. Height of the cone is given, or height of the tent is given. It is the perpendicular height they are given. H is given in the problem, 10 meter. And radius is also given. It is 24 meter. First, you have to find the curved surface area. Okay. By using that, we will find the first we will find out the slant height. First we will find the slant height. Then using that we will find how much canvas is needed, because we are using canvas to build the tent. And here one thing is, to build the tent usually it don't have any base. While constructing or making the tent, it has got only curved surface area. The base is on the ground only we will use. So we have to find the curved surface area, how much it is. And that much curved surface area is used to make the tent from the canvas. And for canvas 1 meter square, the area if it is 1 meter square, that is 1 meter here and 1 meter, if you take that 1 square meter area, then that cost is rupees 70. In that rate you have to pay the total cost of the tent to use of the canvas used to build that tent. Okay, so first we'll find out the slant height, because without slant height we cannot find the curved surface area. Now how to find the slant height? First we will write what are the things given. Height of the conical tent. Conical means tent with the shape of cone. Conical tent. What is the symbol for height? Small letter h. H is equal to how much? 10 meter. Then what is given? Radius. Radius. Symbol is a small letter r, which is equal to 24 meter. Therefore, slant height we will find out. Symbol for slant height is small letter L. Now what is the relation? One formula we have studied in the last class. Do you remember? Yes. Some of you got the answer. L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. You learned like this way. L square is equal to h square plus r square, but I want L here to remove the square value. Square root you have to do. So here also you have to do square root. So L is equal to square root of h square plus r square, which is equal to square root of h square is how much? H is how much? H is 10, so it is 10 square, plus r is how much? 24, so it is 24 square. 10 square is 100 plus 24 square, 24 into 24. 24 into 24, 4 table multiply, 4 4s are 16, 1 in hand, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Right? Now leave one place here and start with the 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now add this, it is 6, 9 plus 8 is 17, and 1 in hand, 1 plus 4, 576. So if you add 576 you will get, which is equal to square root of 100 plus 576. How much? 100 plus 576. So 0 plus 6 is 6, 0 plus 7 is 7, 1 plus 5 is 6. Do you know which square root, which square number if you do, you will get 676. You multiply 26 and 26, see how much you will get? 26 into 26. Will you get 676? Try it. 6 6 are 36, 3 in hand, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, 2 table, 1 leave places, 2 6 are 12, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 6. See, it is nothing but 26. Square root of 676 is equal to 26. So it is 26 centimeter, 26 meter. Slant height is 26 meter. Once you got slant height, we will find out the curved surface area, because we have to build the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to how much? Now another formula we have to use. What is the formula? Curved surface area. Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. Pi r L. Pi into r into L, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is how much? R just now it is given 24, and L we have found out it is 26. So I won't cut this one. it is the curved surface area. Now, this number only I will use. It is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 meter square. I will retain this because last stage to find the values I will use simplify this. Okay. Next one, cost of 1 meter square canvas. For 1 meter square canvas, how much rupees you have to pay? It is rupees 70. Rupees 70 you have to pay. Cost of the canvas used to make a tent. If cost of 1 meter square is rupees 20, it is rupees, okay? Rupees 70, sorry, rupees 70. Now, therefore, total cost of making tent. So it is rupees. How much rupees? For 1 meter square, 70 rupees. For this much meter square, how much? If anything if is given for 1 this much, for so and so, how much? It is directly multiplied by this number. What is given for 1, no? So, use this value into 70, you will get the answer. So, the answer is the total cost is, it is 22 by 7 into 24 into 26. Then the cost of the tent for 1 meter, 70 for this much meter into 70 it is. So, it is into 70. Now, 7 ones are 7 tens. Now, we can multiply all, okay. So, it is equal to, cost is equal to 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. Now, first multiply 22 into 24. Separately, we will multiply 22 into, I will multiply 24 into 22, okay. 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Leave one place, again 2 table, 2 fours are 8 and 4. Add it, 8, 4 plus 8, 12 and 1 here, 528. So, it is 528 and it is 26 into these two numbers. 26 into 10 is 260. Now, last one is multiply these two, get the last answer. So, it is all rough work, we'll do it separately, I will do it here. So, it is 528 into 260. So, it is all 0, leave one place, 6 table you multiply, 6 8s are 48. Then 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16, 1 in hand, 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. Then leave another place, write it, multiply by 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 6 again, 1 in hand, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Now add it 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 in hand. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 plus 0 is 3 and here 1. So, it is 1,37,280 rupees. So, it is cost is 1,37,280 rupees. This much he has to pay. Okay. Now, some simple problem. Sixth I will do. Fifth one no need. Those who are interested, do as extra work in the rough book, because within limited time we will do the remaining problem. So, fifth problem, try it, those who are interested. No need to do everyone, okay. Now, see the sixth problem. The slant height and base of the conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of 210 rupees per 100 meter square. It is not 1 meter square, 100 meter square. Shall we try now? Will you try in your book simultaneously? Okay, you also try now, children. It is the sixth problem. Fifth problem, no need. Okay, try sixth problem. Sixth problem, slant height is given. Slant height is given. Slant height how much? Slant height and base of cone. The slant height and diameter, base diameter of a conical tomb, the tomb base of a conical shape, conical tomb is 25 meter and 14 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing. Find the cost of whitewashing. Find the cost of whitewashing. Its curved surface area. At the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. 100 meter square. Similar to the previous fifth problem, but slightly difference is there. Here 100 meter square rate they are given. Okay, so we will do it now step by step. What are the values are given? Slant height of the cone. L is equal to how much? First is slant height and next one is the diameter. Slant height is 25 meter. Then what is given? Diameter. How much it is given? Symbol is D is equal to 14 meter. Therefore, do you want diameter? We want radius. So, therefore, radius of the base of that cone. Radius. Symbol is small letter r is equal to 14 by 2. It is 7 meter. Right? Therefore, what we can find out? Curved surface area of the conical, here not cone, conical tomb. Conical tomb. Conical tomb. Covered surface area of the tomb. Now what is the formula? Curved surface area. Now tell me without seeing the book. It is pi s into r into L. Okay. So it is equal to pi value 22/7. R is how much? 7 into L is 25. Divide 7 ones are 7 ones are. It is 22 into 25. That is the curved surface area. Multiply it. 25 2 is how much? 2 25 is how much? 50. 0. 5 in hand. 25 2 is again 50 plus 5. 55. So curved surface area we got. It is 550 meter square. Square we have to write. It is 550 meter square. Next, cost of 100 meter square. What we have to do? Whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing. Hundred meter square area. If you want to whitewash that tomb, 100 meter square area, they will take how much rupees? Rupees 210. It is 210 rupees they will take. Where is this? 210 rupees for whitewashing 100 meter square area. Okay. Therefore, cost of whitewashing, it is not 100 now. How much area we got? Curved surface area 550. So instead of 100 now, it is 550 meter square area. So what is the rupees? How much rupees? So it is not direct into you have to do. We will do like this way, area and cost. If it is 100 meter area, if you have to whitewash, then you have to pay 210 rupees, right? Now your area is 550 meter square. How much you have to pay? For 100 meter square, you have to pay 210 rupees. 550 meter square, how much you have to pay? So it is cross multiply these two. So it is 550 into 210. Divided by only one number. Which number is only one number? Is there? Here only is no other number. So it should be divided by. Always like this way. Whichever two, when you do this way cross multiplication, two numbers which were there you have to write in the numerator into, and by single number you have to divide. That is the rule. So now you divide here 0 into 0 by 0, here 0 by 0. So it is equal to 55 into 21. So we will multiply 1 pi is a 5, 1 pi is a 5. Now 2 table, 2 pi is a 10, 1 in hand, 2 pi is a 10 plus 1, 11. Add it. 5, here also 5, 1, 1. So we got the answer here 1155. That is 1155 rupees. So we have to pay this much rupees, children, for the whitewashing. Now there are few more problems. Those who are interested, you are staying at home, right? So it is for your extra activity. Try this. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of the base radius 7 centimeter and height is given 24. So using this R and H, find slant height, then find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. While making the cap, there is no base, so you have to find curved surface. If R is given, H is given, find L, find curved surface area. But that is for one cap. Into 10 if you do, for 10 cap you will get that much area. So that is, try that one for all. But that fifth problem, those who are very eager to solve, those who are much interested, for them that is the extra work. Thank you, children.